To me, where the wild things are is a place that exists in our minds. It's a place of liberty and shamelessness. It can take a split second or a lifetime to find it, but once you do, you'll be free.
Find table spaces, say your social graces, bow your head. Their pie is here, but you and I, we're pioneers. We make our own rules, our own room, nobody's here.
Okay guys, so what is up? Wow, today has been a really long day. It's like super wet outside and cold, so this video is gonna be really short. Today what we're doing is organizing and not really decluttering, but putting together my dresser back here. I did a quick video the last time I did laundry, and today I'm just gonna finish getting everything set up. I found some new ways to put shirts and things in, so I'm gonna go ahead and film me folding the laundry, and then I'm gonna go ahead and put everything away. So basically this is gonna be laundry day, organizing and or decluttering. Alright, so the method used in this part of the video is the stacking method, but it's slanted instead of stacking vertically. I first saw this in Belinda Celine's video, and then I think that's how it needs to be tried. It's useful for getting more things into the dresser drawer than that's the end of the video. Thanks so much for watching. I just wanted to try out that stacking method that I was starting to notice in the videos. I do want to kind of get into the ultimate cleaning scene. Like, I really want to hit it, and so I can like do the whole house clean with me and everything. I'm pretty much and again, thanks so much for watching. Have a great day, guys. Bye.